Hey, what's up, docs? Ryan G here, and the CEO of BlowUp Local, Clover. So mom is currently out with Paisley. We have been running around. I'm on dad babysitting duty, but I had to film this video because we had something happen. Earlier today, I had to pick up Lincoln a little bit early from school to take him to the dentist. I don't normally do stuff like this, but Tiffany had another doctor's appointment for Paisley. So I was like, okay, I'll take Clover, I'll take Link, and we got to like tag team this thing, right? Divide and conquer. I said, where am I going? And she said, you're going to Hess Orthodontist. So I was like, okay, cool. So I'd been there once before, so I knew where it was. I thought I knew. So I drive all the way there. We're late. And the reason we're late is right at the, Tiffany said, you have to be there at 3. And I was like, okay, cool. So we'll leave at like 2 or 2:15 or whatever. And then right at 1:30, she goes, oh no, you're supposed to be there at 2. And I was like, Tiffany, oh my gosh, you're killing me. So we jumped in the car, we go, we drive all the way there. I pull into the parking lot, I get out, and the sign in front of the building said, Florida Oral Surgery. And I was like, what the heck, man? And I said, Lincoln, is this the right place? And he said, yeah, it's the right place. But because the sign said something different, it just really confused me. I was like, man, like, why would you have that sign that says Florida Oral Surgery? So I went back, I look at the Waze app, and I'm like, did I type in the right place? The Waze app says, yes, yeah, this is Hess Orthodontist. And I'm like, okay, but I look back at the sign and it says Florida Oral Surgery. I called Tiffany and said, Tiff, is the name of this business Florida Oral Surgery? And she said, no, Ryan, that's not the name. It's Hess Orthodontist. And I was like, all right, so I don't really know what to do here. I'm just going to walk in and see. So then when I got out of the car, I walk up to the door, and that's when I noticed that the door said Hess Orthodontist. So here's the point of this story. This business caused a lot of confusion for me, a lot of additional stress for me. They've causing confusion with the name of their practice. They have multiple names that just don't make sense. Now, unfortunately, and I've talked about this in lots of other videos, I see this mistake with a lot of chiropractors. You've got one name on your website, a different name on the marquee in front of your business. You've got a different name on the sign on the door, or you've got multiple names. Like I was talking to a doc the other day, it was called like 957 Chiropractic, which massive lack of creativity there, right? But then he also did neuropathy, and then he called it, Kentucky Neuropathy Care. It just causes a lot of confusion with your prospects and with your current patients. Instead, you've got one brand name for your business, one name, one umbrella brand. And then you would have different names for your specific exams, for your specialties. So maybe the 29-point sensory exam for neuropathy, or a neuropathy reversal program. Maybe you have your frozen shoulder exam or your icebreaker exam, but all of it falls underneath the umbrella brand, which is the name of your practice. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up because clearly Clover is not interested in filming a video. She wants to go do something. Docs, make things simple for your patients. Make it easy for your patients to know what the name of your business is and that they're in the right location. And the other thing that's really important is how you do one thing is how you do everything. And if you're so disorganized as a business person that you can't even settle on one clear name for your business, you probably can't fix my chronic pain problem. I'm just saying. So that's all I've got for today. If you are a chiropractor who you want to attract more new patients, shoot me a text, 813-789-9868, and I'll see if maybe we can help you. Have a great day.